Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're conducting some DSGT stock analysis and I'm bringing you some DSGT stock news as well. So there's been a couple of developments and then I want to conduct some new analysis because I think there's been some pretty big strides made by this business over the last couple of weeks or so, and it is really exciting stuff. So without further ado, if this video brings you some value, please smash that like button, consider to subscribing to my channel, and I'll catch you in there. Hey guys, welcome into the video and welcome to the landing page for DSG Global, ticker DSGT. As we can see, the share price has currently 42 cents a share, down from well over $1.34 back in December. Current volume is quite low as well, 26% of its average, and that is perhaps a little bit unfair of investors at the moment. I think there's been some pretty big news around this company with the likes of new models, and they've completely revamped their website. There's extra news out there, and I think this company is being unfairly treated by shareholders at the moment. So firstly, if we have a look at the first piece of news, DSG Global expands its EV lineup with 2 new models available in the second quarter, and that is to do with the mobility side of things, going alongside the ET5 SUV, the ERB4s, and the new T01 personal mobility vehicle. And then we've got the EV bus as well, which is an absolutely fantastic development, and we know just how much it's going to impact, and that they can assemble these vehicles over in the United States so they can get them approved and get them used by US customers, which is absolutely fantastic. They can start supplying these pretty soon and start taking orders, get them ordered over from the United States, and then get the parts assembled. For now, they're going to just ship them in, I believe, until they get their own manufacturing facility up and running. But that is a really good start, bearing in mind that the US electric bus market is anticipated to go from 469 million in 2019 to 1.5 billion by 2024. There is space for Imperium Motors to leverage some of that, especially with the new Biden administration pushing to go green at every opportunity. The other thing is that DSG Global is not just Imperium Motors. It does have the Vantage tag system, its golf buggy system, and it generated over 700k in new sales for that system back on the 10th of March, which is a really good extra little bit of capital for the company to have and reinvest into growing even further, and then maybe it might milk some of that capital over to Imperium Motors if needed. We've got the Imperium Motors showroom opening soon. We don't have a date for that, but here's just a quick look at the volume at the moment. So we had lots and lots of volume in the build up to December and January, and then since the new year it has just fell away despite all the good news stories that have been coming from the company. There's lots of impressive news out there, and I'm thinking it's really building a solid base, and when this company does go, it's going to fly. It's only got 100 million or so outstanding shares, I believe. If I hop back over here, it's got a current market cap of just 44 million, and its outstanding shares is only in the 106 million mark, which means that it can definitely spike very quickly, and once people get involved, there's no question that this company is going to be heading towards the $5 mark, the $10 mark very quickly, especially if the likes of the revenue that they projected, 41 million over the course of the year. The company's value is currently only 44 million, so that even if it got 10 times earnings, 400 million versus the 440 million that it's going to make, a market cap of that is pretty typical from the sector. It's an EV company as well, so there is all sorts of opportunity to make a great return on your investment here. The company's Twitter feed has exploded recently. They've got a proper media team in place now, so we can see some really good images of some of the products becoming available, and they're very active on there and on Instagram as well. So we're really starting to see some pretty good products now. There's a really good person to follow on Twitter as well called Rick Curtis, and he's been following and giving some really good news about the ET5 recently as well, and showing the electronic vehicles over in China as well. So it's really good to see the vehicle out on charge over in Fairfield. So some really good news coming. And then this is a absolute kicker that Osama bin Mohammed posted replying to Imperium Motors not long ago. So DSGT has the first EV in the USA after Tesla, ready to be delivered in 2021. There are no SUVs available from NIO, XPEV, IDEX, CCIV, Fisker, Hyliion, XL, Li, Kindy, Ride, CIIG, Solo or Nikola. Only DSGT, the EV sector that they got, the ET5 that they're offering, can be delivered, more likely to be towards Q2, Q3 and Q4 in the USA. The product is ready to go. None of these companies can offer that at the moment, and certainly not at the sort of price that Imperium Motors is offering, with $29,000 for the basic vehicle and $39,000 for the enhanced version. Now that is absolutely insane value, and this gives them a little leg up in the market and a little step ahead on their competitors. Also, shout out to Ali Trading Tips here, who noticed that they've got partners getting online on the website, so they're going to be getting hold of new dealers to deploy the ET5 and the whole plethora of other products after they've got the experience center up and running. The website now looks absolutely fantastic. If you're an early DSGT investor or Imperium Motors investor, then you will of course know what the old site looked like, but now just look at it. It looks so professional, looking so much better. You can easily get your order, view the ET5, or place a $100 deposit for your ET5 here. So swish, so easy. There's the price points right here, and you can reserve it very easily for $100, completely refundable. And then we've got some great information here, some quite good widgets going on, showing you the insides of the car. Absolutely fantastic, really good looking vehicle. I really like the look of this. It's not available in the UK, but what a vehicle to be looking at. It's quite handsome looking. I really like the look of the vehicle. And then we've got some other little bits of information. So the about on the section has been, on the website, has been updated, so you can see the management team, the CEO of DSG Global, Robert Silzer. Then you've got Rick Curtis and William Bill Rex here as well, some information on them. And then if you want to be a dealer, this is actually inside the experience center, almost ready to be opened up soon. If you want to join their network, you can very easily fire in a message to them and start talking about becoming a dealer for Imperium Motors. What an absolutely fantastic opportunity this company represents. It only has a $44 million market cap. I can't believe that I'm saying that. It's massively undervalued at the moment at just 44 cents a share. When this company starts going, starts generating revenue, releases its orders, it's going to absolutely fly, guys. I cannot emphasize that enough. I'm really looking to get hold of even more shares. How many people out there wish that they'd got in on Tesla, XPEV, NIO at the price when it was just a couple of dollars a share? This is a very similar moment right now. The share price is 40 cents a share. 40 cents. It's so cheap at the moment to get hold of what could be something that's going to be generating thousands of vehicles in sales over the... Yes, they're a middleman, but they're going to be producing some of that and putting them together in the United States with electronic trucks, electronic buses, garbage trucks, vehicles, pickup trucks, the whole works. They're going to be selling thousands of these vehicles very soon, whether they're shipping them across or building them in the USA. That is sales, that is going to be huge revenue. And for the fact that it's just 42 cents a share and a market cap of 44 million, it's going to go massive. I really do believe this. So this is a fantastic opportunity. Don't you wish you could have got in on NIO or Tesla at that sort of time? I know this is slightly different, but still the opportunity is there and the opportunity is real. Do consider getting involved and having a look at this one, guys. I highly recommend it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Do consider subscribing to my channel and smashing that like button on the way out. And I'll see you in another investing episode. Catch you later.